Welcome back. This week is Mental Illness Awareness Week.
And the stress and anxiety in our community that we're facing right now, this is a good time to have a good conversation about mental health. And we have two people to help us with this. Andrea Nauerwald-Schmidt and Nzinga Khalid with the Milwaukee County's Behavioral Health Division joining us now. I'm sorry I didn't get those names correct, but Andrea, let me begin with you. Can you tell us about the increase in mental illness in Milwaukee County since COVID began?
Sure. Since the pandemic has started, the needs of individuals have changed and evolved. We've seen a 54% increase in substance overdoses, and we've seen an 80% increase in suicide attempts. This information trails August, where we had an increase in Milwaukee County of 300% of death by suicide. So this is really coming at a time where we can all stand to talk about and learn what we can do when we notice symptoms in ourselves and others.
You know, Andrea, we're also hearing a lot of problems about people abusing various substances, from alcohol to drugs. Can you tell us what you know about what's happening with COVID-19 and that and our area?
Sure. Like I mentioned, that increase, and we're seeing many co-occurring disorders where the substance use and mental health is coupled together, and individuals are benefiting from treatment on both. In our area, we have access to resources that other places don't have. We have a psychiatric emergency room in our county. We have a 24-hour crisis line that's available, as well as hundreds of providers within our county networked with Milwaukee County that can provide both those substance use as well as mental health services and support.
Nzinga Khalid, I can see in your background there the symbol about the Light and Unite Red campaign. What can you tell us about that and what's happening around the city?
Sure. This is Light and Unite Red Week. Our county executive declared October 4th through the 10th Light and Unite Red Week in conjunction with National Mental Illness Week. This week, you can see several buildings around the city lit up in red at night. So like places like Milwaukee Domes, the airport, City Hall, and Fiserv Forum. We're hoping that when parents see these red lights on these buildings, that they will start to have a conversation with youth before we get to a crisis or the need for treatment or recovery services. They can have these preventative conversations and learn about the dangers and risks so that they keep their children and families safe.
Yeah, very important. And Nzinga, and I think a lot of people forget that, you know, there is help out there. You don't have to suffer alone. Can you share some of the resources that you want people to know about?
Sure, absolutely. We definitely want people to know that if there is ever any type of crisis, our crisis line is staffed 24 hours, 7 days a week. Just reach out to us at 414-257-7222.
Well, we appreciate it, Andrea Nauer-Waldschmidt, for being with us.
We appreciate you both joining us.
Nzinga Khalid, we appreciate you taking time to educate us a little bit. I didn't mean to step on you, Charles. Sorry about that.
That's all right. We appreciate you all being here.
Thank you for having us. We appreciate being here.
Thank you for having us.